Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake kai sabji. This innovative dish takes leftover plain cake and transforms it into a delicious savory meal. It's a fantastic way to prevent food waste while creating something truly unique and flavorful for your family. We will cover everything from the essential ingredients to the step-by-step cooking process, ensuring you can easily recreate this interesting recipe at home. Get ready to surprise your taste buds with this unexpected culinary delight. For this delightful sabji, you'll need approximately 250 grams of plain cake, ensuring it's free from frosting or strong flavors. You'll also require 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped, along with 2 ripe tomatoes, pureed or finely diced. Don't forget 2 to 3 green chilies for a kick, and a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Essential spices include half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of garam masala for that authentic taste. Let's get cooking. Begin by crumbling your plain cake into small, manageable pieces. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan and sauté the chopped onions until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Next, add the ginger garlic paste, followed by the tomato puree and all your dry spices. Cook this mixture thoroughly until the oil starts to separate from the masala, indicating it's well cooked. Finally, gently fold in the crumbled cake pieces and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once your cake kai sabji is ready, garnish it generously with freshly chopped coriander leaves for a burst of freshness. This savory and spicy dish is best served hot, pairing wonderfully with warm rotis, flaky parathas, or even plain steamed rice. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of green chilies and red chili powder to match your preferred spice level. For the best results, always use a plain, unflavored cake, as frosting or strong artificial flavors can alter the intended savory profile of this unique preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.